Good afternoon. We'll get a helping hand this week as it turns very much milder. Some rain is also possible, especially through Tuesday and Wednesday, with the added problem of the snow melting and the risk of some flooding. But first, our regular look at Europe, where it's been very wet indeed, down towards Spain and Portugal. Here in Porto, we've seen 97 millimetres, almost 4 inches of rain in 2 days, and that very wet weather was set to stay. We've got another lump of cloud racing in off the Atlantic. It looks like that's going to bring some more rain into the more western parts of Europe, in particular for Spain and Portugal, but also some of that pushing a little bit further north. It's an area of low pressure that's going to be with us, I think, for a good part of today and also tomorrow. Elsewhere across Europe, while these weather fronts do bring some outbreaks of rain, more snow to come, I think, across parts of Russia, where they've had recently a huge amount of snow, and there's a possibility of more to come. But for ourselves, we've got an area of high pressure, and as we look out across the skies here in London, it's just about cloud-free. A lovely sunny day, not very warm though, but even so, a lot of sunshine to enjoy. And it's the same for a good part of England, Wales, up into parts of Northern Ireland as well. Now, the cloud is thicker, I think, across parts of Scotland, and here there's a chance of seeing a little bit more rain this afternoon, mostly in the form of showery outbreaks of rain, and also thicker cloud down in the far southwest of England. Between those two, though, a lot of fine, dry weather. Temperatures, well, struggling a bit because of the frost last night, but around 5 or 6, I think, generally. But further north, it's a bit warmer, 8 or 9 in Northern Ireland, as much as 10 in the Moray Firth, the milder air getting into the far northwest. Now, we're likely to see a little bit of a change over the forthcoming 24 hours as these weather fronts get closer and also bring with them a strengthening wind and the mild air. It's a long way south right now, but it will gradually push across us over the next 24 hours or so and bring with it the temperatures up to double figures possibly, but also some outbreaks of rain, especially through Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Back to tonight, though, one weather front moves away from the north, but another one arrives from the south. This is the one that could give some drizzle across the more western parts of Wales and the southwest of England. Sheltered away from that, though, another frosty night with those temperatures down as low as -4. Now, we keep those southerly winds going, and they'll come round to the southwest eventually, so mild air will spread to the whole of the United Kingdom over the forthcoming 4 or 5 days. It cools down a little bit as we move into the weekend, but even so, a real change in those temperatures. We're likely to see some rain getting into the southwest on Tuesday, and that'll travel northwards. So by the time we get to around lunchtime on Wednesday, the mild air would have got to just about everywhere with temperatures into double figures, as much as 13, even 14 in the southeast. The problem we've got then, this is the weather watch for you. Through Tuesday night onwards, northern Britain in particular, a combination of the heavy rain and also the snow could cause some flood problems. Bye for now.